Will there ever be new Discord badges? There are quite a few badges so far. The most common badge currently is the Nitro badge, which is obtained by users who purchase Nitro. Discord eventually created badges for server owners and moderators. With that being said, more badges were added to the list, yet there are multiple badges in which you can't obtain anymore, such as the Early Supporter and Bot Developer badge. So over time, they have obviously came out with more badges. Many people would be interested in obtaining newer badges. But will there be new ones? Well, considering that most badges are outdated besides common ones, it's likely that a new badge may come out in the future, but there is no say. So unfortunately, the moral of the video is likely that the answer is a no. But of course, Discord happens to have surprises every now and then. So the most you can do is watch and hope for the best. Personally, I think they should have added birthday badges for users who are active during that time. But that's just me. Anyways, there is no official yes or no. Discord has more time on its hand and possible to create new badges. Most recent badges have specific requirements, making it hard for everyone to obtain one. But that would be it. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe to be a part of future videos.